How am I supposed to get up? This guy's hanging off the couch on my leg.
Make it be as memorable as possible.
And this guy keeps looking over here.
I'd say that was a lot of the beginnings of us.
I want to get up, buddy. Are you awake? Come on, man. I can't move. You're gonna fall off the couch.
That's the beginning of what we have now.
Aww. I know you're tired.
Dave basically saying, you guys have no idea what is leaving your company right now and what's yet
You
to come.
covered your eyes?
After moving to Hollywood, to everyone's surprise,
Oh my goodness.
probably
This
his,
guay.
Batista becomes a legit bona fide
I'm stuck.
star.
I'm
While all of this stuff is happening for Batista, though, Cena's acting career
This
would
guy.
actually start to take off as well.
Oh, he's stretching. He might be waking up.
They're doing gigantic box office.
No,
performances
he's still
in
asleep.
giant movies.
Look at his
And I
tail.
don't know if they're
Brandon, I know you hear me.
going, this is better year for me, or this one is better than this one, or whatever it is. So I think there's certain levels to that
Bandit.
that still continue in Hollywood, even though
I need to get up. Huh?
When you
Silky.
think about John Cena
He's
and
sleeping.
Batista